Unbox your gaming desk. Arrange the parts for easy assembly. Insert foot caps and adjustment screws. Use screws to tighten. Connect the metal frame to the desk leg and use star screws to adjust the height. Do the same step in the other leg. Assemble the backboard metal frame. Insert screws to tighten. Connect the backboard frame into the desk legs. Secure the backboard frame using screws. Assemble the front board metal frame. Use screws to tighten. Connect the front board metal frame. Place the desk boards and secure the desk board using screws. Install the light panels. Place the desk pad on top of the desk board. And you are done.